Hello and welcome to DigitalCAD Official. I am Miraj Ansari, Autodesk Certified CAD Trainer. Welcome to the next session. In this session, we are going to create two drawings, gear arm and form roll lever. Here you can see we have two drawings for this session. I hope this will help you so much for making some mechanical drawings in AutoCAD 2020. Okay. Then before starting this session, I would like to request you that please subscribe DigitalCAD Official, like, share, so that your friend can also learn something new, something extra from mechanical drawings. Okay, and press the bell icon for regular updates. Then let's begin. We have opened AutoCAD 2020 here. And you can see, first of all, we need to select drawing template. So I always recommend to use this ISO. Here you can see ACAD ISO.dwt, so that we don't have to set units actually again and again. So if we click here, here you can see ACAD ISO.dwt. Then already our unit is set to millimeters. Here you can see check by pressing U and enter. Press just U and enter, and here you can see millimeters is already selected from here. You can set your precision as well and keep it international and say OK to it. Okay. Here you can see we don't have any file tab open, so we can show. Just go to view and file tab here. Just show the menu bar to here. You can see show menu bar option. Here we have menu bar also, and just keep as it is now. Okay, first of all, just make this grid mode off. We don't need that grid here. And make this ortho mode on, so that we can draw a straight line or copy any object in a straight way, either it is horizontal or vertical. Okay, so we must make these 4 buttons on before starting our drawings. Okay, now here you can see we are going to make our screen splitted, so that we can see both in one screen. Here you can see drawing as well as our CAD software. Okay, so here we have. I hope this lecture will help you a lot. After watching this, you would be able to draw this type of drawings. Let's begin. First of all, let's create one layers. Here you can see we have layer properties options. Just click here to create new layers. Here you can see we have a new layer option. One, that is drawings. Okay, enter. Select the color, let's say yellow, and then okay. And line tab, that is already selected to continuous, and line thickness, let's keep it 0.30 mm and say OK to it. Okay, and now center line. Okay, enter. Select the color, that is red. Go to line type. We don't have any center line here. Go to load, select anyone and press C for center. Here you can see center 2, that is half of center 1. Here you can see 0.5x. Okay, and select the center 2 of okay, and line weight, that is by default. Okay, and now third one is dimension, which is very much important. Without dimensions, that is not good to make any mechanical drawing. Okay, so just create one layer for that. Here you can see select this color, that is cyan, and center, no, continuous, keep it continuous, and line type, that is continuous, and line weight, that is default. Okay, so here we have created our 3 layers. Here you can see. Okay, so that we can work with layers, we can hide, we can show, we can freeze our drawings according to our requirements. Okay, and let's make one more layer, that is text. As you already know about my English, I know that you will ignore my little mistakes. Okay, so let's keep it magenta, that is continuous. Let's close it, and now I am going to start with our drawings layer. Here you can see already, you can see by layer line weight automatically selected. Okay, so just what we need to do, we need to select the drawings layer. Okay, and then we can start our drawing. Okay, so then what should we do here? Here you can see we can start from this center circle, and here you can see we have a circle. You can see here 28.52, 28.57. we have to add them all, and we will divide by 2. Okay, and then we will put the value of this circle, that is rim. Okay, so press Ctrl A to open the calculator. Here you can see, and add them 28.52 plus 28.57, okay, equal, and divided by 2, that is our value, which is 28.545. so select C for circle. C is the shortcut for circle. Specify the center point. Here you can see we need to have a diameter. Then click here diameter option and type the value, that is 28.545. Okay, here you can see we have applied some thickness to this layer, but we can't see the thickness. So we must make this button on to see the thickness what we have applied in the layer. Okay, so just make this button on. Here you can see. If you want to check the diameter as well as radius, then we can go to utility, and here you can see radius or diameter. You can check from here 28.55. We have entered the value 545, which is quite good. Okay, and now we have 44. Again press C for circle. Specify the center point. Here we can see diameter, and that is 44 is the diameter. Okay, and now we have to create this one. Okay, one more circle we can create here. C for circle. Specify the center point and type the 35. Okay, so here you can see, and 35 is the radius, and that's okay. And what should we do here? Here you can see we need one more circle here. C for circle, and we can start from here. The distance is given 60. Type 60. L for line here, and one more time just press tab to enter the value, that is 40 degree. Okay, now what should we do here? We can make them all as a reference line or center. Here you can see, so we can select them all like this. Okay, to reduce the scale of the center lines or PCD, press LTS. LTS means what? Line type scale. Enter and reduce the scale of our center line. Here you can see the scale of the center lines is reduced now. Okay, then again C for circle. Here you can see we can make offset. What should we do here? Just 22 is given, then select the offset tool, 11, select outside, select inside. Okay, and you can see the diameter is given 120, that is the radius actually, 22, 22, and which is 11, 11. Okay, then O is the shortcut for offset, 11, enter. Here you can see 11, that is already done. And MA is the shortcut for match property. We must make them continuous. Okay, and now C for circle, start from here, 11 is the radius. C for circle, 11 is the radius. Now trim all the unwanted entities. TR double enter is the shortcut for trim. Okay, so we can trim them all like this. Here you can see. Now what should we do here? We can make them joint. Okay, otherwise we have to make them individual offset. Then J is the shortcut for join. Select them all one by one, enter. So here you can see we have joined them all. O for offset, you can see here 22 minus 11, which is 11, means what? We have to make an offset of 5.5 outside. Here you can see, and later we can measure the radius, which must be 22. Oops, I'm sorry, one second. Here you can see 11 must be. Okay, so just type here 11, and that's okay. Now it is correct. Okay, so you can see the radius is given 22. So this portion is done, and now we can make this one. Okay, so here you can see we must create a vertical line. Just select the center line, and here you can see we can start from here, we can start end from here. Okay, so and just drag it little bit in this direction, and here you can see 45 and 19. Here is the option offset. Okay, then 48, enter. Select the center line, click upward direction, and here we can see 19, enter. Okay, now we have to create this both circles here. Okay, just select the layer, C for circle, intersection, diameter is given actually 40, means radius is 20. Sorry, actually radius is 20. Okay, diameter is 40. Okay, that's fine. One more, 18.99 plus 19.05 divided by 2. We can calculate. Control, otherwise press Q for calculator. Q is the shortcut for QC is the shortcut for calculator. Okay, quick calculator. And here we have the value, which is 18.99 plus 19.05 equal, okay, divided by 2. That is our exact value of diameter, 19.02. Okay, then yeah, from here select this, start from here, 19.02. okay, that's okay. Okay, so this is also done, and now we must create this profile. Okay, so then we have to make an offset of 148 from this center, otherwise minus 60 from here. Okay, so you can calculate here 148 minus 60. Okay, QC is the calculator, and 148 minus 60, so you can see 88. Now O is the shortcut for offset. 88 is our offset distance from this center, then like this. Okay, and now we have to create this circle. C is the circle shortcut, and radius is given 22. Type here 22. Again diameter is given 22, again D for diameter 22, which is good. Okay, then select this both circles, go to copy command, specify any base point, click anywhere and type the distance, which is 25. Okay, so just type here 25 space. Now L is the shortcut for line, quadrant to quadrant. You can't see the quadrant because here you can see in our object snap option, all the options, all the buttons are not on. Okay, so we must select object snap setting here and select all option and then okay, so that we can see all the nodes. Okay, here you can see quadrant to quadrant. Okay, so this is very much helpful. Remember one thing, before starting any drawing we must ensure that these 4 buttons are on or off. Okay, so make sure them these all 4 buttons must be on. Okay, and in object snap here you can see all nodes must be on. Okay, so that we can make all the drawings easily without any error. Okay, just again TR is the shortcut for trim, just double enter, just trim them all. Here you can see trim them all, select E for erase. Again line, here you can see, here you can see, then here you can see, here you can see, TR double enter, delete and delete. Okay, oops, we have made a mistake here. So TR double enter again, we don't have to trim the center line. Okay, so just done it. Now here you can see we must draw a line tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. Here you can see just line and type TAN from your keyboard and again TAN from your keyboard, so we can make them tangent. Okay, and now here you can see the fillet given, that is R16. Here is the fillet tool, select this tool. Here is the radius, type the value, that is 16. Okay, and now go to trim and you have to select no trim option because we don't want to trim. Actually here you can see the radius is given 16, select this circle as well as this circle, so it sorry, which is joined actually, that's why we can't make them fillet. If we explode them then we can easily apply fillet tool here. F is the shortcut for fillet, R is the shortcut for radius 16, and select trim option and select this no trim, select this circle and this one. Okay, so quite easy. Here we can also select this one as well as this one. Here you can see 44, just we must change the radius, select this line and this circle. We must trim all the entities which is not required in this drawing. Just TR double enter, trim. Okay, select, we must select this arc and press delete from your keyboard, so we can easily create this type of drawings. Here you can see, if you don't want to keep these center lines, erase them all. Okay, if you don't want, suppose select here, go to lengthen and here you can see. Now one another way to apply center line and center mark, we have one more option. Just go to annotate option, here you can see center mark, so you can easily specify. 1 second, we must just change the layer here, go to annotate and here you can see, that's it and that's it and that's it. Here you can see, select, you can increase the length as well, and then L is the shortcut for line specify the center. CEN is the center, and press tab 40 degree. So you can see here, you can see everything is done. And now what should we do here? Just to decrease the length here. Okay, now it is looking very nice. So we have done one drawing. Okay, and now let's see the second one. Here you can see later we will apply the dimensions. So just to make it, I hope this drawing is understandable for you all guys. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then feel free to ask. Make a comment below in the comment section. Okay, feel free to ask. Okay, I will try my best to answer your questions. So let's begin the second drawing of this session. Here you can see we have already know that we must calculate the rim dimensions. 28.52 plus 28.57 divided by 2. QC is the calculator. 28.52. Okay, so we know the value exactly, 28.545. okay, so just close it. Go to home, change the layer and make drawing layer current layer. Okay, so we can start from this hub and C for circle. Here you can see D is the shortcut for diameter, and type the value, that is 50 diameter. Okay, and now 20 C for circle again, specify the center point, D for diameter, and 28.545. okay, and if you want to create this portion, then we must know how to create this portion first of all. Okay, then what should we do here? Just C for circle, specify from center, and type the exact value. What is here? 58 is the radius. Type here 58. Okay, and now we can go ahead. L is the line, specify from center. 30, 12, 5. Okay, just press tab 30 degree, and here you can see 12, offset 12, select this line, make an offset of 12, again 5, select this line, again 5, enter. Okay, so C for circle, here is the center of this circle actually. So this intersection is the center of our circle. Okay, and radius is given 10. Line L is the shortcut. Draw a line from here to here. Okay, here you can see. Now we can delete or trim. TR double enter, trim them all one by one, trim them all. Okay, just E is the shortcut for erase. Here you can see. Now again think about this one. We can't mirror this object, okay, because the distance is not same. Okay, distance is different, so we have to create again. Okay, so just double click here and make this 58 54. So we have made it, and again L is the shortcut for line. Start from center, press tab. If we want to draw a line in anti-clockwise, then we must enter the value in minus. Here you can see minus 45 we need actually now. Okay, now make an offset of 5. O is the shortcut for offset 5, enter and select this line. Okay, now C is the shortcut for circle. Specify the center, radius. Okay, done. Now start a line from here and then here. Okay, then TR double enter, just trim them all one by one. Okay, now okay, that's okay, fine. If you want to delete them, just delete them all. Now we have to create a circle of radius 38. Here you can see, okay. Now just make this circle 38 radius, okay. So we have used this circle in 3 places, okay. Now what should we do here? Just we have to take a fillet tool here of radius 12. Here is our fillet tool, specify the radius which is 12, and that is multiple, and select this circle and this line and this circle. That's okay. TR double enter, trim it. And now we can use here tangent radius type of circle. So here you can see we have tangent radius type of circle. Just select this circle, specify this tangent point, and radius is 90. Okay, again same thing, space. Here you can see TTR is the shortcut, tangent radius. Here you can see, enter, TR double enter, trim, and here you can see, you can erase them all. Okay, that's okay. Okay, fine. And here you can see radius is given, radius 1.5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So go to fillet, go to radius 1.5, enter, select the trim option, and this time you must select this trim option, okay, and go to multiple. So here you can see, okay, one by one, just done it, okay. And now what should we do here? You can see the exact length of this keyway, that is 3.15 by 6.30. so what should we do here? Just draw a vertical line, okay, and now make an offset of 3.15 right side, 3.15 left side. O is the shortcut for offset, and 3.15 right side, 3.15 left side. Here you can see line, and start from here, and 3.15, enter, and which is already 6.30, and yes, okay. Now delete them all. Here you can see TR, enter, okay. So that's okay, fine. Erase is the shortcut, done it, no problem. And now here you can see the distance between these two center point, which is 1.108, which is 108, okay. Press C for circle, just drag like this, drag the center point and tap the value, that is 108. Here you can see the radius is given 22, okay. Now and select, copy, specify the base point here and tap the value, that is 28. 1 second, 28. L is the shortcut for line, quadrant to quadrant, and again quadrant to quadrant. TR double enter, just trim them all, okay. C is the circle shortcut. Here you can see radius is 12, start from the center, and 12, done. Diameter is 19, again space bar to repeat the circle, D for diameter, 19. Distance is given 14. Here you can see L is the shortcut for line, 14, enter, and drag this quadrant. Here you can see the given radius, that is 3, but this is not right actually. If we calculate the dimension, if radius is 12, then diameter would be how much? 24 minus 19, that is 5. 2.5 here, 2.5 here. So we must apply the fillet radius 2.5 here, okay, not 3. So just click fillet, go to radius 2.5, enter, select this vertical line, this horizontal line, and if a point exists, we can delete it. Now select, go to fillet, here we can see, and say no to it, okay. TR double enter, Okay, now done it. Now we can make the circle of radius 32, C4, circle, center 32, enter, and again draw a line TAN tangent, TAN tangent. Here you can see, select this line, go to mirror, specify first point of mirror line, second point of mirror line, set to no, TR, double enter, E for erase. Okay, now 76. Here you can see tangent radius, select this one, radius is 76. Again same thing, tangent 76, TR, double enter, trim. Okay, now here you can see how beautiful looking these drawings. Okay, so I hope this must be very easy for you. Okay, I'm not going to show you how to apply dimensions because we know already how to apply dimensions. Okay, so forget it, we have to save our times. So here you can see we have created these two drawings, and let's apply some one second, I'm sorry, just make the center line current and go to annotate, and here you can see circle and circle. Here you can see, just connect. Okay, now this is enough for today's session. I hope you will share with your friends. Okay, bye bye, good day, take care.